odd scene that I'm just carrying around. For hours now I've been carrying around a Barbie doll, a car radio, and an infant's nautical uniform. And this isn't right. There's something strange here.
Something strange. Who you gonna call? Wait. Why were you just calling?
Huh?
Portland Bakers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this week, we're packaging another thing.
Oh
It
my
says,
goodness.
do not lay flat.
If you don't lay this flat, how do you lay it? Like, how do you set it on a...
Round. So we went estate selling this weekend. We hit it hard.
Erica reluctantly went estate sailing this week.
Well, the first day I was for it.
You were all about it.
When you go to the same sale like twice, the luster.
For me, it's like a whole new sale because now it's half off.
Well, they both were like sales that had a lot of stuff, and the second one was because we left our bag of things, which has never happened to us before, and we did it like twice this week. You can tell our brains are like on another plane.
Maybe like we're looking at getting a rental property or something, and we got accepted, and we had to go through like a home inspection.
We're
Maybe
definitely
like that.
gonna put that into another video.
That is a whole nother
'Cause
subject.
we already... At
We
the end
just
of this
completed
video, you will see us talk about how excited we were about this house, and then we have some things that have happened.
We have
but
something to discuss.
we went to estate sale. There's a haul video for you right
Yes.
here.
On this week's edition of Hauls RS, where we haul it in and you call it out. Well, I'm gonna tell you what it is. So we went to 2 different sales, and at the first sale, oh my god, literally, there's a box full of Bibles, leather bounds, some as old as like 1905, some newer, but mostly mid-century and older. There is a handful that are from the 70s. Ooh, that one is just like loose from... Someone will buy it. Someone. Who needs a spine? So, yeah, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, about 28 Bibles here. That's nuts, because these are going to sell for like, on average, 25 to 30 bucks a piece. Some of them are going to be, 50 to 60, and the majority are probably going to be like 20 to 25. Then at the next sale was kind of a surprise sale. These are just 2 items that stand out. So this is like a telephone lineman test set. And this is brand new. Like, this has not been used. Still has the original manual hooked on it. The cheapest one on Amazon is $100 used. So I put this up for $125. That's pretty competitive. On eBay, brand new, this would probably fetch $75. Self-fetch. Here's another thing that like super bolo. These high power video and audio tape erasers. I've sold through every single one of these, which isn't like a lot, but 5 over the course of reselling. So anytime I see these, I pick them up, and they're usually $5 or less. I paid $3 for this. On Amazon, It's noise outside, per usual. $70.
Ruckus.
I've consistently sold them for like 35 to 40 bucks, but recently the price has spiked up. So just following the trend, this is up for 70 bucks. Just lower it over time anyway, if need be. In the garage at the second sale, there's this Proto extension, and this is like a 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch, I think, extension. And I actually don't know exactly what this is worth, but it's probably like 25 bucks. This is a snap-on tool, and I've not seen this before. This end was probably a pick, and this one probably some kind of wedge or something. It's very noisy outside.
Doohickey.
But anyway, snap-on tools, if you see it, just grab it. And because it has really good sell-through. Then I have 2 other lineman test sets that are really old. You can just tell they're old.
Ooh, look at that bicep though. That's new.
This one's assembled in Mexico. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. This one has a rotary dial on it. So that just like, that dates it. What the heck is going on outside? Bell Systems property, not for sale. Western Electric. This is, I want to say this is probably 50s. Maybe 60s. But like, people love this stuff. Small automobiles or boat fire extinguishers. I sell through these as consistently as I sell through those tape erasers. And I've sold this brand before, Ansel. Now, what you want to look for, which is like the higher value, is pump action, like entirely brass body units that have a bracket. Because then people can mount it. You know, for this, someone's either gonna have to have a bracket or they're gonna have to make a bracket. But what's nice is you can usually remove the top and refill it with your own chemicals, and then I'm not gonna demonstrate because I don't know what's gonna come out. But this will probably be like 50 bucks.
What else?
Shipped.
What else?
These are Dwell tachometers. This is actually Proto brand. I've never found one that is
A prototype?
that's that's the prototype. That's funny. And let's see, Proto used to be, before it was Proto, gosh, what is it? Plum Tools. And then for whatever reason, trademark issues, they changed their name to Proto in the 40s or late, maybe early 50s. So those are tools that I constantly look for because they have the high collectability to them. And this one, I mean, I'm gonna test it just to see that there's continuity and that the gauge responds to a charge. They
and
like
yes,
wrote the
there's
instructions.
still hockey sticks over there that have not been listed yet.
But like I said, I've never found a branded one that's actually a quality brand. It's like Suntune or some other brand. If it's made in Japan, if it's made in the US, the value goes up. I'm guessing 40 to 50 bucks on that. I don't think I need to say anything regarding these, but vintage safety goggles, especially, what is this aesthetic?
Steampunk.
Steampunk. That's right. I would know because I'm the opposite of that. I am a princess in every sense of the word. These are actually made, like, the frame is Bakelite. I mean, not only do you rarely come across these, but I didn't know they made Bakelite frames for safety goggles. I think that's just tin or something. And then the lens cover is aluminum, it looks like. When you see that kind of corrosion, that's usually indicative of aluminum. It kind of corrodes with a white dust.
Excuse me.
And then anytime you see blue corrosion, that's usually going to be brass or copper. But these are, this is brass, so it's brass riveted. These are probably, I want to say, late 30s, early 40s. They're like in so-so condition. I just imagine like I wouldn't sell these for less than 60 to 75 bucks. Another cool pair of safety glasses goggles that I found. These are like older Craftsman brand, and they got the individual round lenses.
These ones look like aviator glasses.
I thought these were just cool, and you don't need to check comps. These telephone sets were $4 a piece. And if you've ever sold vintage phones, you know that if it's the right look, they sell really well. These Touch-O-Matic Bell System phones sell for on average like 40 to 50 bucks. And so I did not hesitate to haul home the Starburst Variety Pack.
Princess.
My Princess Variety Pack. So like, I spent $64 at this set, not where the Bibles. I spent like 61 bucks at that sale, but I spent 64 bucks at the telephone and the test set sale, and just one item is gonna pay. I'm gonna make profit on. So the key is just get out there and buy stuff. Just keep buying.
And today I am working on a stack, and there's more of them, of paint by numbers. You guys probably know that I like paint by numbers, and I have this lady who collects them and is always giving me her duplicates or the ones that she doesn't want.
So ridiculous.
So I'm busy with that. And we have been working on, like, a lot of you who follow us know this, but we haven't really put it out there on YouTube yet, but we have been working on getting a rental property.
Rental prop. Yeah.
And today
They accepted our offer.
they accepted our offer, so we probably will do a series of us going through all the steps of getting the house,
Yeah.
what we've dealt with so far already, getting the inspection, then doing some renovations and renting it out, and the whole process. Would you guys like to see a little series on that? Tell us in the comments or thumbs up.
Even if you don't, it's coming out. So
It doesn't matter. But
you can say yes or no. Doesn't matter. You're gonna get it. You're getting 100% of that.
So that will keep us busy this next month.
Yeah. We're gonna be every day working either eBay or the rental prop, and that's the life.
Of an
And
entrepreneur.
you gotta love it.
There was some Portland Trailblazers at another estate sale. I mean, they weren't there. We found some stuff.
Don't ask.
You guys
Don't ask. why I
like
did
this
that.
video,
Give us a like.
subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram. That's probably how you found this video. Do people even find us on YouTube? Like, did you find us through searching on YouTube? Probably
Tell us that on the
not.
comments section. Where did you find us?
How did you even why did you even bother?
But are we found?
Are we lost?
Are we lost? I think so. We've lost our minds a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you guys.